circle theorem is part of your exams. That is why I chose Cambridge IGCSCE, for us to have a broad understanding towards circle properties. Before you proceed with this video, make sure you hit that like button, like this video for us to have a good algorithm, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'll be releasing more content. There will be more content on this YouTube channel. That's why you don't want to miss out. Yes, want to make sure that you guys have good grades. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. For tuitions, my line is showing on the screen. Let's get started. Is saying A, B, and C are 3 points on a circle, center O. DE is a tangent to the circle at A. Angle ACO equals to 35 degrees and angle BCO equals to 40 degrees. They are now saying find angle AOC. Now I want you to look at this diagram carefully. Look at the diagram carefully. So I'm looking for angle. They've said AOC. So this angle here, what is the angle there? Now how can I know this angle? You first look at what you have. So if your center is here, then I've got a tangent there. This implies that these two angles are the same. So if I've got 35 there, it means even there I've got what? 35. So now if this angle is 35 degrees, so it means that I'm just looking for this angle here. What must I do? I'll just say x equals to 180 minus, what is 35 plus 35? You're going to get 70 degrees. So x equals to 180 minus 70, you're going to get 110. That is the solution for the first one. So in short, our angle AOC is just 110 degrees. Okay, so in my next video, I'll be able to show you all the 7 properties under circle theorem. That is why I said make sure subscribe to this YouTube channel, because there will be more content on this YouTube channel. Subscribe. Alright, so let's proceed. Now we're looking for angle ABC now. ABC, meaning this angle here. Now the angle here is twice that angle. So if the angle at the center is 110, how can I know this angle there? You just divide this one by 2. You just say 110 divided by 2. What do you get? Your answer is going to give you 55 degrees. That's the solution. Now, in a case whereby you don't have the center angle, but you have this angle as 55, how can you know this angle? You just do 55 multiplied by 2. It will give you the angle at the center, which is 110 still. Okay? So far, I hope you are following very well. Then our next question is saying angle DAC. Angle DAC. Let's look at our diagram carefully. Angle DAC. Angle DAC. Now, where's our D? Our D is over there. That's our D. So DAC is just the angle at this point here. That's our DAC. Now, they've said that this one is a tangent at A. This implies that this whole angle is what we call a 90 degrees angle. Alright? Now, recall that we already know this angle here. The angle here is 35. Now, I want to know what is the angle DAC. Since it's at the tangent, meaning that the angle has to be every angle. I mean, from here to here, it must be 90 degrees. But here, if I've got 35, what could be this? You just subtract what is 90 degrees minus 35. Then you're going to get the angle DAC. So you're going to say 90 minus 35. Your answer is going to give you 55 degrees. So that is the solution for DAC. It's also 55 degrees. That's what you have, right? So then angle OAB. Now let's look for angle OAB. Let me erase this for us to have a clear picture of what's happening. So I'm looking for angle OAB. if I add this, and that, I'm able to get what? 180 degrees. So I'm going to say 180 degrees minus what? Now I'm going to add 55 plus 35, then plus 40. Okay, so of course if I add 55 plus 35, I'm going to get 90 degrees. But that one plus 40 degrees, you're going to get 130, meaning that here I've got 130 degrees. So if I subtract 180 minus 130, I'm going to get 50 degrees. Now what does this mean? This means that this whole angle is what? 50 degrees. Now I want you to follow me carefully. Follow me carefully. So like I'm saying, this whole angle is 55 degrees, but recall that just this angle alone was 35. But now the whole angle is what? 55. What must I do? You subtract, it's 50 degrees. So what must you do? You subtract 50 minus 35. What is 50 minus 35? So if we do 50 minus 35, we're going to get what? So let's subtract. We're going to say 50 minus 35. Of course our angle is going to be 15 degrees. So the angle here is just what? 15 degrees. These are our solution for the Cambridge exam on circle properties. Thank you for watching this video. Share the video, like the video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because there will be more content loading. Thank you so much.